Hello guys, this is actually a perfect example of a video I wanted to make explaining one of the interesting phenomena of the reversals, and that is the large deep reversals as opposed to the shallow reversals like this thing here. It makes a big difference to what happens. This is what I would call a deep reversal. You've got the high, the lower high, the lower low. A big candle as your penultimate candle before you start the reversal uptrend. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high. Pull back there, higher, low, higher, high, and close and break above that. What that means is that price has virtually done the whole move. This is a daily chart and there isn't much room to trade up further, you know, into the flip area there. I know daily chart, the actual pip value of that gap there is huge, but if this was a hourly chart, then that would probably represent 4 or 5 pips, as opposed to a shallow reversal, which is this one here, low high. We call this a low at higher low and higher high because this is the penultimate. This is a penultimate move, and this is the ultimate high, and this is the ultimate low in that reversal. If it had gone lower, then we'd be using that as the penultimate, and so on and so forth. And likewise if this had gone up. So this has actually closed below the low of that there. The green line is the low of the penultimate candle, which is 63155, and the close of that is 63134. That's a reversal. That is a shallow reversal. And what that tends to do is tends to continue on down. So you've had a pullback. I'm not going to really go into the details of all of that because it would just complicate matters. The important thing is this is a deep reversal and is highly likely to come back on itself, and this is a shallow reversal, and after a small pullback is highly likely to continue down. Sadly, we've got this little inside bar here. Otherwise this would have been perfect. If these had been all green, this is a lovely, or that was a big candle there, this was a better example. This still looks like it's going to go down because we've had the pullback day. It's a daily chart, remember, and we're continuing on down. Nothing ever goes in a straight line, price wise, that is, or it's very rare. That's one of my favourite mantras. So just use either the histogram or the lower time frame pullback continuation scenarios. So there it is, guys. Big pullbacks have almost certainly hit their target, if you like. Big reversals, I should mean. Tiny candle reversals, shallow reversals, tend to be the best ones for a trend continuation. Been meaning to make that video for a long time. It takes a while to sink in, so I'll try and keep it short and sweet like that. But let's try and find another example. High, low, lower, high, lower, low. I think that one's reversed on itself. Yeah, that's neither shallow or big in reality. got that whole candle there. That's what I meant by clean, all red move. That's quite a that's a big reversal down. Low, high, high, low, high, 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 low, lower, high, lower, low. It's not closed below. And look what happens. It reverses and just carries on reversing. Whereas this is relatively shallow. Low, high, high, low, high, 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 low, and it finally breaks below that low there, and you've got a ton of green there. I hope you can see the difference. It's not the clearest reversal in the world, because if you'd considered trading here you would have had to break through there. But let's suppose, you know, in other words, you're trading straight into support. Let's suppose you use that as the you waited, in other words, for this to be broken. Then you've got a perfect, it's not big candles like that and a scary, that's the point I'm trying to make. That is a world of difference. Low, high, high, low, high, 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 low, lower, high. Massive candle as the break, confirmation of reversal candle, right into support. This is your support on this up move here, and this is your reversal level. You've got at least half. I've never talked about this, I've never actually worked this out as an actual strategy, but you've got at least half the move to go. So you could just say, I've identified my up move, the reversal is less than half, it's a nice clean green move up, so that looks like a better opportunity than this one that has gone probably best part of 90% of the up move. So the chances of a reversal against itself are very good. So you could get on the lower time frames and use these ones, the 90% plus ones or 80% plus ones, whatever you want, or actually 51.5% or 51% ones, or 55, 60, wherever you want your cut off. The ones that don't offer up a good reward, you could leave those and attempt to trade them back the other way. The ones that are 50% or less to target, those are the ones that are the best for the continuations. Okay, this isn't a clean up move. Let's find one with a clean up move. Here's one with a clean up move. Upswing, should I say. The reversal is tiddly. There's the low, high, high, low, high, 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 low, lower, high, and low, and close below that green level there. And you've got your target hit with this candle here by the looks of it. Or even if you'd held it there. That's why I talk about flip zones. That's a clear old resistance, acts as new support, and look where the price bounced. That's the up move, all nice and clean. That's the shallow reversal. That's the down move. I hope that you can see the difference there. Here's a deep reversal, straight into the flip area, if you like. Look what happens. This is a daily chart, massive pullback. So shallow reversal's good. There's the reversal there, and that's the reversal candle, or that's the penultimate, that's the reversal. Deep reversals look for a possible bounce. Don't think I can explain that a lot better. There's a deep reversal. There's your clean move up. It's already hit target, that flip zone. You can draw your flip zone, say there, and it's as good as, so that's a 90% reversal if you want a better example. And then the whole day is down. Do a little search on these yourself, guys. Do your own homework. But that's something I noticed years and years ago, and I couldn't really get across to friends that I was trying to show this to. So reversals that go into a flip zone, unlike a reversal that may have happened here, this is a big red run. Longs would have been good if it had reversed nice and shallow. Hopefully now you can see the difference. Shallow candle reversals are much more likely. Here's a shallow candle. This is your green up move. That's a flip zone there. Resistance. I'm just doing it on really where the close and open the candle, and that I didn't even notice that, but resistance acts as support. There's your big up run. This is a 50% reversal, so good to go short. 50% of that up move. You know, you can put it on there if you want, but I don't want to do it. You can, you know, it's, oh, let's do it for a laugh. Fib from about there to there. Oops, that's not fibs, is it? Just show you if you're a novice. You could draw your fib from the flip area. It's going to be very, very vague. Zoom in on that. 50%. The reversal was there. The 50% line of that move is there. You've still got 50% to go. Shallow reversal, low, high, high, low, high, high. This didn't quite close below that green low. That one did. Small pullback, continuation. Okay, shallow reversal's good, deep reversal's bad. If you have any questions about this, put it in the comments or on Twitter. If I can help at all, I would be happy to do so. If you like this video, like and subscribe please. Thank you very much. Have a good evening.